It started snowing in Tokyo today, and that's honestly the only reason we went outside. Snow here is rare, so when it happens, you don't just sit at home, you grab your jacket and go. The city feels different right away. Quieter, softer, almost like everything slows down for a moment. This is Suga Shrine, a quiet Shinto shrine tucked away in a residential part of Tokyo. At first glance, it looks simple and peaceful, like many local shrines across the city. But this place became world famous because of one scene in the anime film Your Name. Right here on the stairs, Taki and Mitsuha finally met. Since the movie's release, fans from all over the world come to recreate that exact moment. Now we're walking towards Shinjuku Gyoen, and even on the way, winter is already mixing with early signs of spring. Right here, we spotted the first ume trees starting to bloom. Ume blossoms actually bloom earlier than sakura, usually while it's still cold, and you can see the difference. The color is much deeper, more pink, sometimes almost reddish compared to the soft pale pink of cherry blossoms. Seeing bright ume flowers with snow still on the ground feels like two seasons colliding. Winter is not ready to leave, but spring is already slowly arriving. On the way, we found something perfect for a cold, snowy day. Freshly made taiyaki. If you have never tried it, taiyaki is a traditional Japanese street snack shaped like a fish. It is crispy on the outside and warm and soft in the inside. There are different fillings, but we choose the classic red bean. The sweet anko inside is smooth and slightly earthy, not overly sugary. Holding something warm, like this, while walking through the snowy Tokyo just makes the whole experience even better. After that, we had masasoba and tantamen near Shinjuku Gyoen. It looked absolutely amazing when it arrived. Rich colors, beautiful presentation, everything. But the taste was honestly disappointing. The flavors felt heavy and unbalanced. I really do not like to waste food, but this time we simply could not finish it. Sometimes looks can be very misleading. We finally arrived at Shinjuku Gyoen. And here is a small but very useful tip for you. Instead of lining up to buy a paper ticket, you can simply use your Suica card at the entrance. Just tap and go. It saves time, especially on busy days, and makes entering the park so much smoother. The first place we went inside Shinjuku Gyoen was the greenhouse. And honestly, during winter, this is the perfect spot. The moment you step inside, it feels completely different. It's warm, humid, and full of tropical plants. After walking through the cold snow outside, it almost feels like entering a new country. If you visit in winter, the greenhouse is definitely worth it. After the greenhouse, we walked through the garden to see all the snowmen people had built. It was actually amazing how creative everyone was. Some of them were huge, taller than a person, and others were small and incredibly cute. You could really feel how excited everybody was about the snow. It gave the whole park such a beautiful atmosphere, like Tokyo was enjoying a rare winter moment together. To end the day, we went to see blooming ume trees covered in snow. The deep pink blossoms stand out against the white snow, looked unreal. It felt like winter and spring meeting in the same moment. Quiet, calm, and somehow very Japanese. Snow in Tokyo does not happen often. And seeing ume flowers bloom at the same time made it even more special. If you enjoy this snowy side of Tokyo, make sure to like and subscribe for more moments like this.